Okay, now continuing this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark this here. I'm going to make sure that it's clear that it's a BX55 belt that's being used with this unit. And also, see this right here? So these are the set bolts, but you want to make sure that this is tight. The reason is because you don't want this bolt, as it rattles and whatever whatever movement tries to happen, you don't want this bolt right here to come loose. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, we're going to get our adjustable wrench, and we're going to tighten this right here so it's nice and tight now. All right, so once you have that completed, we're going to turn this back on. Now remember earlier we talked about our interlock, so we want to make sure that our interlock is not kicked out from us turning that off. You'll notice that it's moving right here, so it's resetting right now. So if you'll give that a moment. We'll wait for it to get a full reset. All right, so it's fully reset. Now you're going to notice that your VFD is going to start kicking up in numbers. That is it telling you that it is going up in speed. As it goes up in speed, your variable frequency drive will start kicking in power to your motor. Your motor will start turning, and it will get up to its top end excuse me, its top end speed. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this so we're not sucking air down through there from our exhaust fan. So our top end speed for our variable frequency drive is going to be 60. Now that we're satisfied that all of that is working properly, we're going to take our belts and our tools, set our tools back up nicely, put our belts up here as well, and we're going to get our pictures for our data plate. All right, because everything we touch, we get a picture from the data plate. So next thing we're going to look at here is going to be our compressor units. Now during a regular PM, we're not going to do anything with this compressor unit, but you can see it is starting to build up some film. Now if you'll look around, we are surrounded by hills and trees here at this location. What this is going to do is it's going to cause more dust, debris, and dirt to be flying around in the air, and that means that this unit is going to get dirtier faster than other units. So if you have nothing around you to cause debris buildup, then you know it's going to be a lot easier on you. Now your makeup air, these are the aluminum filters for your makeup air. This location has a policy that we clean these 2 times per year, once in April for the summer startup and once in August for the winter startup. Now take a look at that. These are cleaned in April. This is something that we should be doing every time we do a PM. If the airflow in this, just look, see how the sun barely shines through. If the airflow in this unit is hampered, then you're not going to have airflow on the backs of your cooks, and they're not going to be happy, and it's going to be 80 to 90 degrees in their kitchen at all times. So we're going to go downstairs, we're going to get our hose, we're going to clean off these filters, even though this store doesn't ask you to do that and it is not part of your regular PM. So I'm going to go ahead and head downstairs, and I will start the video back up whenever I get back up here.